Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a golf ball. We'll start by establishing the fundamental shape. A perfect circle is your initial step, so grab a compass or find a round object to trace. Keep your lines light at first, as this allows for easy corrections as we refine our drawing. This foundational circle will guide all subsequent details. Next, let's tackle the iconic dimples. Imagine a grid or a series of concentric circles on your golf ball surface. Golf balls usually feature around 300 to 500 dimples, arranged in a precise hexagonal pattern. This arrangement helps with aerodynamics. Focus on maintaining consistent spacing to achieve a realistic texture. Now, let's give those dimples some depth. Each dimple should appear as a small, slightly indented circle. To create a three-dimensional effect, add subtle shading within each one. Imagine a light source hitting the ball. The side of the dimple opposite the light will be slightly darker. This technique makes the dimples pop off the surface. For our final touches, carefully erase any initial construction lines, leaving only your refined golf ball. Introduce a soft cast shadow beneath the ball to ground it on your surface. Finally, add a small, bright highlight on the ball's surface to suggest its smooth, reflective quality. This brings your golf ball drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.